Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. I'm Jeffrey. Jolene will be here shortly. We have an OC&T light powered train. Let's check it out. I got 3 videos in there today. Let's watch them past that freight we got today. There he goes. There he goes. All right. All right, we're going to get off and might be it. We'll see for today. For Jeffrey, the train expert, we'll see. So we'll get off first and we'll get back on if there's another train. If not, we'll be on next week. Like I said, talk to you later.